Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this ONN large rugged speaker. This one here has a Bluetooth 5.0 LED lights, up to 12 hours of charging, and this is waterproof. Alright, so right here we have the Groove by ONN. It is a large rugged speaker. This one's offered in the camouflage. It's got pink, red, and also gray, which is a grayish black. I did go with the cameo version. This one's super nice. So this here offers so much sound, Bluetooth connectivity up to 33 feet or 10 meters. It also has a waterproof. So this one here is waterproof IPX7 waterproof railing, which allows speakers to float perfectly for poolsides or beach outings. This one here does have a built-in rechargeable battery that provides up to 12 hours of playtime. So this is what's in the box. You get the rugged speaker, you get a USB charging cable, and a start guide. So this has 6 multicolors lighting effects. So first off here, we got the instructions manual. This basically tells you how to use it, which this is plug and play. It's super easy to start it up and ready to go. Then right here it tells you how to change the lighting, turn on, off, how to connect by Bluetooth. So first off in here you do get the Type-C to USB charging cable, and then of course you get the speaker right here. I did go with the rugged green because this one here is a super nice rugged camouflage. That's all you get in the box. This is what it looks like on the outside of the box. It basically looks like the size of an Arizona soda can, a little bit thicker, but you have all your displays here at the top. You've got your volume up and down, you've got your light, your power, play, pause, Bluetooth connecting, and your power button on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and look at the bottom, and right here at the back it actually has your plug-in ports. So this one right here is waterproof, so they are covered. So you have your USB, Type-C, and you have your AUX in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my phone and I'm going to connect it. This one here has very good sounds. You can see that it's got little speakers at the top. So this one says ONN rugged speaker. So I'm just going to go and connect that. So it has different modes, 6 different modes of the lighting. You have pulse, go with the music. So let me just click on something in here so you can hear how good this speaker sounds. As you can tell, this is a very good speaker. It's very light, portable. You can get with you anywhere you go on the go. It's got a lot of bass, very good high range and mid range and low range. If you're looking for a nice portable speaker that gives you a very good quality, that lights up and does everything for the party, I would definitely say come and check this one out.